You guys, I'm hungry for a pizza. Let's go get a pizza. All right, so where am I at? I'm gonna try a new pizza place here. Well, it's not new, but the pizza is new to me. I've never had a pizza here. I've seen videos of this place. I've seen them make the pizzas here in videos, and man, it looked good. So I am with Lut. She's over here. There's the Lut. Where are we gonna go? Right up here. And I've seen videos of this place before, but never been here. Always saying, let me go here and let me get one. There's a lawyer. I used to get my money there when I needed to get my money sent to me when I was using a Zoom X MMO XOOM. There it is. We're going here. 69 Rock Bar. That's where we're gonna go. I gotta find this place. Parking here, a little on the tough side, but I know it's somewhere around here, of course, on one of the top floors. So we're going to find our way here. Let's find it. Let's find it. This way, this way. Hang on, I don't know. Let me ask the girls. Where's the 69 Rock Bar? 69 Rock Bar. Upstairs.
Yeah.
Go this way?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, ladies. Alright, we'll go this way. 69 Rock Bar, this way. Oh, yeah. Upstairs. They say upstairs. Elevator. We're taking the elevator. Because it's upstairs.
Yeah, you can hit the sign letter R.
Thank you, buddy. So you come into the elevator, hit the letter R. There it is, R. And away we go. Look, what is, oops, sorry about that.
Huh?
69 Rock, do you work there?
Yes.
All right, they're
We're
open.
still cleaning.
They open right now?
We're still cleaning.
Can I get a pizza? Is the kitchen open? No?
Open. The
Open.
owner is there already.
Oh, he is there already. Good deal, thank you, thank you. Look, what is this?
Love.
This? Love?
Sarang hair.
Oh.
Love you.
Because a couple of them girls in that little store there went like this. I'm like, what's that all about?
Korean.
Oh, Korean. Oh, all right. All right, let's see if we can. All right, guys. We're gonna throw a little moto vlog in here. I got up there a little early. They don't open till 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock around there. I'd say 5 o'clock you're safe, good to go. So we got up there a little early. They were cleaning up, getting ready for the day. They were nice enough to make us a pizza, which I did take home. And the food review of the pizza will be at the end of the video. So I figured I'd hop on the bike, head back up there, show you what it looks like when everything's up, everything's running. Also, kind of give you an idea where it's at. This is 3 o'clock traffic. This will start picking up around 5 o'clock Friday. It'll be a madhouse through here. But this is, like I've said in the past, put me on the bike, I feel safer. I feel safer on the bike, riding, than I do sometimes in the car, only because I can see around. I can see around everything. I can switch lanes. I can get around people. They call it, my buddies call this the circle, the ring of death. I wonder how many accidents happen in through here, like every week. But the place here around here is loaded with CCTV cameras. I did see it firsthand. I seen the CCTV camera room down at City Hall, and I'll tell you what, it's impressive. It is impressive. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to shoot down. We're going to shoot down everybody's favorite street, the walking street, so you can get an idea where it's at. If you're staying here, if you're hanging out here, gives you an idea how to get here. Because everybody knows where the walking street is, right? So we're going to shoot down the street. They don't close walking street down to traffic till about 3:30. So you guys will see what it looks like around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So here we go. We're going to shoot down this way. Here's your McDonald's coming off of MacArthur Highway. You know, so many people vacation here and come here, but they never leave this area. And I always say, get out of this area, get down the road, see what's down the road. There's so many good places to eat, and so many other places to check out. But after you eat, fill your belly, drink cheaper alcohol, then you come down here, and then you spend your big money, right? So yeah, 3:30 they run everybody off the street. I've got a different mic set up, so hopefully this sounds good. Hopefully it doesn't peak out and crackle. If it does, I apologize. So there it is. There's your walking street. So you come off of your walking street. Say mabuhay. Come on to Friendship or Fields Avenue here. To your left is your Envy. To your left is Phillies. Just keep walking. This 69 Rock Bar is walking distance from this whole area. You don't need to be afraid. You can walk it. You can walk it. Go by all your other clubs here. Soya, SS, Ace, Brown Sugar, Insomnia, Club Camelot. I'm just going to stay in this lane so I can kind of let you know where you're going. I don't want to buzz by everybody here. McCafe or MC Cafe, walk by that. Italia Hotel. On the right hand side is all your little, I call them vendors, all your little street vendors that sell all the trinkets and your beauty supplies and your haircut places and your nail places. Come by the South Star. I tell you what, the afternoon, it's been getting warm. It has been getting warm. You go by your Chucks to go up here on the left. Margarita Station up here on your left. Keep walking or driving, whatever you got to do to get there. There's your Margarita on your left. JJ's on your left. Then you're coming up to Narciso Avenue. Hope I pronounced that right. Narciso Avenue. You have your Jeepney terminal on your right. Money exchangers on your right. Just turn left. Turn left right here. If you're walking, and boom, it is right here. Right here. There it is. Right there. Boom. 69 Rock Bar. All right, let's get up there and let me show you around 69
All right, so this is a continuation from the first half of our video, okay? We just got off the elevator. There's the elevator. Guys, remember, hit the R button, rooftop. Not the top number, the 7. 7 will take you to the basement. Hit the R for the rooftop. So you come out of the elevator, right? Here's the entranceway. Boom, you step right out. Check this out. This is what impresses me, all right? This was all an open rooftop, all right? And he put this up here, 69 Rock Bar up here. You can see this big canopy. It's a big old canopy, and that's a big bamboo pole right in the middle there, all right? That holds that canopy up. So when you're sitting out here, you want to sit out here, all right? You got the shade. You don't have the sun beating on you. So that is nice. I like that. Of course, you got a pool table. I'm not going to walk towards the bar. There are people sitting there. Plus, not only that, they play music. And I tell you what, the best music around, in my opinion, they're playing like hair band music, AC/DC, Metallica, heard some Kansas while I was up here. You're going to get that kind of music when you come up here and sit and eat. You're not going to get your Michael Jackson, nothing wrong with that. You're not going to get any of, you know, hip hop and all that. You're going to get some good biker music, I guess you could say. But you can see they also have a pool table here, right out in the open. It's really nice. All your waitresses here. They do also have specials that go on. They did have a Super Bowl party. Today's St. Patty's Day, as you can see the green balloons. St. Patty's Day, I think he's doing shepherd's pie, he told me, for St. Patty's Day. So there it is. Really nice place. The view, you come up here, enjoy the view. I'm sure at night you get a nice view up here of the whole area. That's Narciso Street that runs down there. There's your Candy Palaces out there. El Vistra Tiger Hotel, that's on this side. Over on the other side. Oh, and they have CRs up here. They have everything running up here. Running water, they got the bar up here. Everything is running, they got power up here. This is a nice rooftop. You can see they finished the floor here, is really nice. There's your CRs. Here's another view from up here. Nice breeze up here. There's your SM Mall out there. But really nice breeze. I would imagine coming up here in the evening, like I said, come up here, you got to stop up here. Like I said, they don't really open till 3, 4 o'clock when the bars open. Like I said, they were nice enough to make me a pizza. He did apologize. You guys will see it in the video. Usually the stone that they cook the pizza on is up to a certain degree. And because I was in a hurry, it's not their fault, all my fault. The crust, you guys will see in the video where I review the pizza. He apologized and he didn't have to. My fault, not his, but you'll check it out in the video. But a crust pizza's crispy if you're not in a hurry. I was in a hurry. So, but anyways, guys, really cool place. You have to check it out, man. Come up here, like I said, eat something up here, drink something up here. They're gonna have guys are gonna run up here. Guys, there's no funny stuff going on up here, all right? The owner here doesn't play that. There's no funny stuff. Straight business. So anyways, guys, I guess get ready for the review and enjoy. Guys, gotta check it out.
All I ever wanted was you, but you left me alone inside these empty, broken walls. And I can't see it clearly, but it's obvious. I know that you left me alone inside this empty, broken hall. And now you'll be the reason why my soul is tainted.
All right, guys, I got the pizza to go because I can't eat the whole pizza. And I want Bing to have some, Rinalyn to have some. Hannah Grace is still at school. This is a lunchtime pizza. Guys, I know this pizza is going to be good. I'm going to tell you why I know this pizza is going to be good. Because it's the same owner that was in Grand Central, that was located on Walking Street. Same owner. And I can remember right before, well, it was kind of in the very start of the lockdown, I went and got pizza at Grand Central. And it was the best pizza I ever had. And then boom, they shut down and closed up shop for the duration of, the chimp thing that happened. And same owner now. Same guy that made the pizzas and everything is at 69 Rock Bar. I know this pizza's gonna be good. I know for a fact. Let's check it out. Just got it home. The box is still warm. Check it out. We went with a half and half. Half and half plain cheese pizza. The other half is pineapple and ham because
My favorite.
Look likes it. So guys, there it is. This is a good real pizza. I will do a taste test. Of course I'm going to do a taste test to see if it compares to when it was at the Grand Central, but same owner, same ingredients, maybe even up this game a little bit, but I'm going to dig in. All right, let's dig in. Let's dig in. Well, first of all, I can tell you right now, it's got the nice greasy looking look to it, right? You see that greasy looking look? That's my favorite, that greasy looking look. I'm gonna give it a shot. Yes, indeed. Guys, I'm not being paid by anybody to do any of this. I like a good pizza. I mean, everybody's taste buds are different around the world. But to me, this is pizza from back home, where I'm from. The sauce is good. It's not overpowering. Plenty of cheese. A lot of times you get pizza here and, man, hardly any cheese on it. Good quality tasting cheese. In my book, the best pizza. I told you I wouldn't go wrong with it. Once I found out I knew who was running that and where they came from, I knew it was going to be good. You know what else? You can never have pizza without this, right? Ice cold Coca-Cola. I rarely drink Coca-Cola and soda in general, but pizza's best with a nice cold Coca-Cola. Well, go ahead and enjoy and give us a taste of your
It's my
pineapple.
turn now. It's my turn.
What do you call that? Hawaiian
Hawaiian pizza.
pizza.
See that? That's a lot of pineapple. I like that.
Pineapple and ham.
Mm-hmm.
What's it up?
Yeah.
Sam!
It's very good.
Sam's going with plain cheese.
Wow.
Wow. What's it up? You sure?
We always okay.
Okay. She's not a cheese person though, but you like pizza. So there it is, guys. Rock 69 up top. Dine in, take out. They got a great menu there. But I'll tell you what, the pizza, I will be back for more pizza up there. In my opinion, the best pizza in the area. It's not a very crispy, well, unless it may have been crispy when it came out of the oven, but you box it up, bring it home. It may lose that crispiness on the crust, but man, to me this is back home pizza. So
I like the crust.
you like the crust? Yeah, the crust is good. So all right, guys. With that being said, we'll talk to you later.